fact, she lived in Ballyhonus for 5 years herself. She's been a member of the Rockland County Irish American Cultural Centre since 1995, and 2009 she joined the Ladies' Ancient Order of Hibernians. She married the love of her life, Brian Murphy, in 80 and moved to the 34th county of Ireland, the Bronnocks. She raised 3 sons, Sean, Kieran and Brendan, while working in the restaurant business there. In fact, she owns a tavern since 93, the Orange Bug Tavern, with her partner Aidan Ryan. So now we know what a good draft is. She has been involved in the Ancient Order of Hibernians for a long time. She's been involved in the FESH committee. Lillian and Brian and the Murphy clan have been living in Pearl River since 95. They're proud grandparents of 2 boys, Patrick and Conor, who are keeping the tradition alive by they play for Rockland GAA, and they have some club up there, believe me. Lillian often remarks that the name she loves most is being called Nanny. So Nanny, this is your day. She's an active member of St Aidan's Parish, and she's now here tonight as a Rockland County aide to the Grand Marshal, Lillian C. Murphy.